Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this laptop. So first open the Start menu, go to Settings, then open System Settings, scroll down to Recovery section, right here, open it, and select Reset this PC. Click right here, and now you can choose one of the two options of factory reset, and the first one is basically the settings reset more than the factory reset, as it will only restore your settings and remove applications from your device, but all the personal files will stay on your PC. So if you want to perform the full factory reset, go with remove everything option. Now, if your device is connected to internet, you will see next two options. The first one is cloud download, and the second is local reinstall. The cloud download option will allow you to install a clean copy of Windows, while local reinstall will take a lot less time than the first one, but you will simply reinstall Windows from this device. So if your files in your system are corrupted, then I surely recommend you choosing the first option. But if they're not, and you simply want to reinstall your Windows, then go with the second one, especially that it takes a lot less time. And right now, go to change settings, and right here you can if you keep this one unchecked or unswiped, then Windows will simply remove your files, but will remove your files, but they will be still be recoverable. If you want to completely clean your Windows, you should swipe this toggle to the right, and this way you will the Windows will clean the drive completely. As it says right here, this may take hours, but it will be much harder to recover files. So I suggest that you select yes if you want to perform a full factory reset, but I'm gonna go with no just for this video to be shorter. And here you can again decide if you want to reinstall Windows from this device, or if you click yes, then you will also download it from the cloud. So I'm gonna go with two no's, but you can decide for yourself. Right now select next and wait for a little while. As you can see, here we will see the list of actions that will be performed during the factory reset. And when you're ready, click this button right here, and from now on you just have to wait until your device is restarted. So let's wait, as it might take up to a couple hours. And right now the factory reset is complete. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.